Hi, friends! I'm so happy you're here. I have a super curious question. Which season is your favorite? Spring with flowers? Sunny summer? Windy autumn? Or snowy winter? I wonder if we can figure it out together. Let's go explore.
Spring wakes up with a stretch so wide. Flowers bloom and the bees buzz by. Jump like a bunny, hop, hop, hop. Feel the sunshine never stop. Spring, spring, jump and sing. Summer's come and feel the zing. Autumn whispers, leaves go spin. Winter dances, snow begins. Summer shines, it's a golden glow. Splash in the water, let the fun flow. Catch the breeze, it tickles your nose. Wiggle your toes where the warm sand goes. Spring, spring, jump and sing. Summer's come and feel the zing. Autumn whispers, leaves go spin. Winter dances, snow begins. Autumn paints the trees so bright. Orange and red, what a sight. Crunch the leaves with a stomp, stomp, stomp. Twirl around, let your feet go clump. Spring, spring, jump and sing.